Sa akin, bring it on. Bring it on. Hindi naman kasi ito na mapipigilan na, no? At I think yung resolute decision ng ating mga iba't ibang sektor naman na talaga na i-impeach ang ating ikalimang pangulo has been going on for quite some time now, ano? Siguro kung impeachment na pag-uusapan siguro for the past 3 years pinaplano na nga nila to all along. Ano? So hayaan na lang natin, ano? And ang nakikita ko kasi rito with the early declaration of the president, I think the ball is now in the court of the congressmen, you know, especially those who believe that their political future and their political capital is at stake here because they know for a fact, no, na kapag hindi sila pumirma dito sa impeachment, yung maaaring suporta, no, na ini-enjoy ng ating ikalimang pangulo, it may also rub onto them. On the flip side, if they will sign the petition, maaari rin namang magbago yung ihip ng hangin, lalo na kung marami sa kanila may mga supporters doon sa kanilang mga constituents na pumapabor sa ikalimang pangulo, and many of them are actually re-electionists, no? So things like this, I think they need to understand, ano, iba yung sitwasyon ngayon sa lower house kumpara nung 19th Congress, and I believe ina-assess maigi ito ng ating mga congressmen.